I hear from the people that market is completely dead. No one is buying any of the homes. What do you see in the like market nowadays?
So the market is not dead. You
Yes.
know, because pre-con market is really high in the sense because the builder is because of the opportunities and the advantages that you're getting.
Yes.
So we see a lot of first-time home buyers coming and buying the house.
Okay.
Right? Because the first time home buyer understood that this is a market where they can go in. Your price, for example, if you're buying a townhouse which is for $600,000, it's
Yes.
coming down to almost $500,000. You're getting
Yes.
almost $100,000 discount on that.
Okay. Okay. So you know what? Since I started almost more than 10 years, I like never saw builders giving any of the discount. What kind of discounts can they get nowadays, if there are any?
Oh, there are many discounts.
Okay.
Okay, so if I first discount that I would really like to pinpoint is that the builder themselves are giving you a discount of $35,000 on the purchase price for townhouses,
Okay.
which is amazing.
Yes.
Right? And then, of course, as we all know, that the 5% GST rebate is already there for the first time home buyers, and that is for pre-construction.
Yes.
So they're getting that too,
Okay.
right?
Okay. So anyone who is buying a pre-con, they are getting 5% of the GST rebate.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And that is for pre-construction only, new
Wow.
build, right?
Okay.
So first time home buyers, they get the longer time.
Yes.
They have a longer closing, right?
Yes.
They're closing next year.
Yes.
So they can collect their money and then they can buy their house.
Yes.
It gets easy for them.
Yes.
And as I told you, it's an extended deposit structure. So they're
Yes.
not even giving the entire amount in one go.
Yes.
And one more thing I would like to add over here, Sunil, the bidder is not taking 10%. They're just asking for 5%,
Okay.
which is very rare that we have seen nowadays, which
Yes.
used to not happen earlier.
Yes. So how long clients have to pay that 5% deposit?
It's an extended deposit structure, Sunil. So they are paying in some amount in 90 days,
Okay.
and the balance to 5% prior to closing of 60 days.
Okay.
So again, it's a good length of time that they're getting to
Okay.
get that money.
So they are basically getting almost 10 to 12 months to pay that 5% deposit.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
Mm.
And what about the appliances? Are they getting some
So
kind of
now
appliances?
so now they're getting 5-piece appliances,
Yes.
which is amazing.
Yes.
Right? They are getting free assignment.
Yes.
Okay. Again, $10,000 worth of free assignment they're getting.
Okay.
That is also a security for a first-time home buyer.
Yes.
Like anything changes,
Yes.
financial things changes, at least they can have that. They can use that benefit of free assignment,
Okay.
right? And then they're getting the good part is that they are getting equity guarantee.
Yes.
So now the builder is giving one more thing for them is that tomorrow anything the price drops or something,
Yes.
builder is giving the guarantee. Anything changes before closing, they will match it.
So I know like a lot of people were concerned that if they buy the house now, the prices can drop further. So builders are actually offering the equity
Equity
guarantee. So that means that they have the peace of mind.
Absolutely.
If the price drops, then builders will give them at the lower price.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. In that case, as a first-time home buyer, at least you are safe.
Yes.
Today you have that thing. Okay, now I can buy a house, right? Because
Yes.
I'm covered from all sides.
Yes.
There is nothing that has been okay. Something changes, anything changes, I am safe.
Yes.
So that is a very good thing for first-time home buyer. As of now, the market is amazing for that. Right?
And I think that's what we are seeing. Like a lot of first-time home buyers are coming out in the like market and they are buying the homes. Right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
See, Sunil, now today, as we are talking about, the government is giving 5% GST.
Yes.
8% is proposed.
Yes.
Right? So now we calculate the whole thing. 13% the government is going to give
Yes.
you. Plus the builder is giving you a discount of $35,000.
Yes.
Right? So your $600,000 property is coming down to almost $500,000.
Yes. Yes.
So
That's amazing.
That's
right?
amazing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the time to encash it. And
Yes.
we are seeing a lot of first-time home buyers doing the smart work.
Perfect. That's good. So if like anyone has to buy the house or they want to know more, where should they call?
Call me, please. My name is Smriti at 647-490-0470.
Okay.
From Spark Realty, we are here to help you. And please feel free to call me anytime.
Perfect. Sounds good.